Good, y'all. Well, just got back from bashing.
Oh! Woo! My favorite by far. Here you go.
I ain't touched the motor. I got 10 grand to pay.
And that's what's about this thing.
Nice. That's a good one to end on. There we go.
It's the end of an era. The T-bone bumper is toast. But I'm gonna try some baking soda and super glue with this little bracket here. And then I got this purple Kydex and we're gonna make a bumper. Yeah. Alright, well, check that out. We got the homemade bumper. So I use what's left of my T-bone racing bumper. The mount and all. 'Cause that's pretty much what's left of it. I busted that thing up. That. Here's the other piece. I don't know, I might put holes in it. What y'all think? This is Arma Mafia exclusive. Until I decide to put it on something else. So y'all can see it with the body on. There we go. I like it. I like it. Now we just gotta see if it's tough. I'm probably gonna bend that back a little bit. Just apply a little heat. Give that a little bit of different shape to it so it's not just straight out. But yo, I like that. Hell yeah. What y'all think?